In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the chords and melody of Amazing Grace on piano. We're going to do this in the key of F major, so let's start by playing the scale of F major. We have F, G, A, B flat, and I'm doing this with my ring finger, which is a little unusual for scales. Then C with my thumb, D, E, F. So note that in the key of F you don't have a B, and you do have a B flat, the only black note in the scale. Now, Amazing Grace is not going to contain all of those notes, and the best way to access the notes in the song are to put your thumb on note 5 in the key, which is C, and then pointer on D, middle on E, ring on F, pinky on G, then pinky on A. I'm just reaching up while keeping my thumb planted down. If we had a B flat, we would do that with your pinky, but it's not going to be played in this song, and then reaching up to the C. So that's the span of one octave from C to C. Using this hand position, you don't have to move your hand at all except just to reach. All right, now I'm going to play through the melody, but before I do, I recommend that you go into the description of this video and open up one of the 2 chord charts that you'll find linked there. These chord charts are identical, except one of them will list the names of the notes that I'm playing, and the other one will list the numbers of the notes I'm playing. And what do I mean by numbers? I mean in the scale of F, F is 1, G is 2, A is 3, etc. You can use either chord chart because I'm going to display both the name and the number of every note in the melody that I play. All right, here's the melody. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Depending on what version of the song you're familiar with, you might think I was playing some extra notes. For example, but now I'm found. That extra syllable on now is not necessary. You could do, but now I'm found. Either way works, just depending on what you're familiar with. All right, now I'm going to add the chords with my left hand, and there's only 3 chords used in this song, and those are F major, notes F, A, and C, B flat major, notes B flat, D, and F, and C major, notes C, E, and G. Let's put both hands together, and when we do, this is what we get. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless.